Hello, my name is Christine from Chris by Bike channel. And a couple weeks ago, I done a video about my dream bike, the new Brompton P Line. It's marvelous, light, fast, new improvements. Oh, love it. But for that, I had to study a lot. And I realized that Brompton has a lot of new names for the bikes that we are used to it. So I decided to do a quick Brompton guide to help you decide which Brompton is better for you. Because depending on how we use the Brompton, one Brompton is better or the other one, you got a lot to choose from. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the A line, the C line, and the C Electric. Yes, because the P line, I have a whole video and just check it out. If you do want to see about the P line, that's the video you have to check out. Let me tell you about the A line. The A line is what we used to call B75. It's the entry Brompton. It has 3 gears, which is marvelous because they are hub gears. A hub gear is a gear that's in a hub, figures, and the hub stays inside of the wheel, it's right in the middle, and it's all sealed up. So that means you don't have to clean it. What I think is marvelous about a hub gear is that when you stop in a light, or if you have to stop in a fast way that you didn't want to stop and you got quite surprised, you can change gears without moving the chain, and that's marvelous because sometimes you do forget to change gear, and instead of doing a lot of effort to start pedaling, you just move your gear to the lowest gear. So I love hub gears. Oh, so it has 3 gears, hub gears, and the 2022 models are all white with black ends. It's the triangular frame, the back, and the fork on the front. It looks beautiful. It's marvelous. Well, why it's cheaper than the other lines? What they do is they use old equipment. It's not old, it's just old model equipment, okay? What it means is nowadays you change gears in the Brompton below the handlebar, but the A line use changing on top of the handlebar. Brompton A line is marvelous if you want to start in the Brompton world because it has all the great features of Brompton, like it folds like a short Brompton. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. There's one thing that it doesn't have that you can upgrade later is the folding pedal. Yeah, it helps a lot, but you can upgrade later, no problem at all. So it does get very small, and there's 3 gears, so it's very fast. It's perfect for cities. It's very good for flat surface or just little hills, it's perfect. It's a marvelous way to start your way in the Brompton world. In the end of the video, I'm gonna show you a table, with weight, the gearing, the names, so it can help you to decide which Brompton is better for you. The A line comes with no fenders, no light, and no block. There's a block in front of the Brompton that can fit the bags, and it's marvelous because it stays on the frame. So when you turn your handlebar, it doesn't go with the handlebar. What that means is when you do a curve, there will be no weight towards the curve. You'll be straight, and that's very impressive. It's a great design. Oh, that was all I have for the A line. If you do have any questions about the A line, please write in the comment. Let's start with the C line. Okay, before we start with the C line, there's one more thing. The A line only comes with mid handlebar. No low, no high, just mid. Go in the shop and buy with the M handlebar, okay? But on the other hand, the C line. The C line, let's start with the C line now. The C line comes with the low, with the mid, or the high handlebar. So you can choose between 3 handlebars. You can choose between 3 seat posts. The original, the extended, and the telescopic. It's quite neat, the telescopic, because the telescopic, when you fold it, it's 2 centimeters higher than the original seat post. But the extended, when you fold it, it's a lot higher. And the telescopic, if you do need it, not my case, but if you're tall, you need it. You can go very, 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 very tall, and when you fold it, get very small. And one more thing, if you're gonna put in a suitcase or you're gonna travel, you can easily take inside of the seat post with the saddle. So much easier. With the original seat post, you have to take the saddle and the pendiclip out so you can fit in the suitcase. No problem at all. Oh, let's move on. Okay, you can choose from 3 different handlebars, 3 different seat posts, and from 7 different colors. Is that cool? Yes, you can choose from Piccadilly Blue, Fire Curl, Black, Cloud Blue, House Red, Racing Green, and Black Lacquer. Is that cool? That's marvelous one. After you choose your handlebar, your seat post, and your beautiful color, it's time to choose how many gears you want. Yes, but that's the big difference. The new names are Utility, Urban, and Explorer. What that means is Urban, you have 2 gears. 2 gears means you only have the sprocket gear, You have to move the chain to change gears. It's a great bike if you use it, in a straight line, no many hills or slopes, It's marvelous. Then comes Utility. As the name tells you, it's perfect for city, Is the 3 gear. The 3 gears, the hub gear, as I told you, my favorite because you can change gears. When you stop, you don't have to move your chain to change gears. And there's the Explorer. The Explorer is if you want to go traveling, or if you do live in a place that a lot of uphills and downhill and you need more gears, so that's Explorer. The Explorer has the hub gear and the sprocket. So 3 times 2, 6. You choose whatever it's best for you. Great, there's a lot of information, but in the end, I'm gonna post a table that I'm making so you can see all the difference in the names and the weight and the gears, so you can choose easily. You can choose from it. Let's talk about the electric bike. A lot of people comment in my channel that, I don't want electric and this and that. Okay, the thing is, sometimes people think that the electric bike are coming instead of your bike. No. Electric bikes come. Instead of using your car, you use an electric bike. Yes, much easier. And Brompton Electric is very interesting because it's assisted. So it just helps you pedal. And if you go up to 25 kilometers per hour, it stops. It doesn't help you anymore. So it's not a press of a button. It just helps you. And there are 3 stages. It helps you a little bit, help you so-so, and help you a lot. So they have the 3 different stages. Even if you drain out the battery, could happen if you forgot to recharge it, you can still ride your Brompton. So it's a great choice, especially to use instead of your car. It's marvelous. So all the Brompton Electric C Line comes with fenders, lights, front carrier block, and you can choose from 2 models. The Urban, yes, you know, 2 gears, and Explorer, yes, 6 gears. Imagine 6 gears plus electric. That's a good one. That I use instead of my car easily. Let me show you the little table I've done to help you decide which Brompton is better for you. It did help you somehow to understand the new names, the new Brompton names, the lines and everything, and to see which Brompton is the best one for you. Please, thumbs up. And if you want to know more about Brompton and bicycles, subscribe. Yes, over here. And a special thanks to John from Brompton Support that helped me finish my little table, putting the right data on it so you can get the most of it. Okay? Oh, thank you very much for watching all of it. Thank you to be a part of it. Bye-bye.